Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about how to create free animation videos for earning from YouTube. So, first of all you just have to open Google and type here, Adobe Animation YouTube Free. Enter it and open the first tab in browser results, which will open the main Adobe window. Here you will get the option of Make Animation for YouTube. By clicking it, a new tab of Animation Editor will be opened where you will find different options such as on left side there is a canvas where you can edit your animation video. On the right side you have characters, backgrounds and video sizes. In character section, you can see multiple characters which could be used in our animation. Then you can select background of your own choice along with simple ones which will help you to edit your video in any video editing software for using dynamic backgrounds. Here you can also upload your custom background image. The third option is of sizes, in which you can choose any size for different platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, etc. Then in each platform there are multiple other video sizes. As our current concern is YouTube, so here we have only one size. Let's select it and we can see the canvas has been updated on left window. Let's choose a sample background and then select a character. Let's choose this one. Here this character has been selected on the canvas and you can drag, resize and place it anywhere. Let's place it here. Now you have to provide the audio. You can record the audio at runtime, but you can also select an already recorded audio file. Here I will recommend to record the audio before adding it into the video because you can record the voice, clean noise and edit it according to your choice. So let's upload an audio file. I have already created a sample audio and upload it. Once it is uploaded, it will take some time to process it. Once the processing is completed, then the animation will be ready for further use. Let's wait to finish the processing. Now you can see the processed audio on your canvas, where you can drag it to remove pauses. Now let's test the final resulted animation. Hello everyone. We are here to help you for creating free animation videos for your YouTube channel. So, here we have a sample video we have created for you. Once your animation is completed, then you can download it free of cost. Currently, this tool is totally free, so you can earn by uploading these animations on your YouTube channel, or you can sell these to a client on any platform. At the end, let's download our animation. For downloading this animation, we will require an Adobe account. If you do not have one, then you can sign up, elsewise you can use your previously created account. As I already have an account, hence, let me sign in. After login, account details could be shown here. Let's download the animation. So, go and get your customized animation videos and start earning on your own. Sounds exciting? So, please stay tuned. Like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more exciting updates.